Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can use the message option from the feed section. So in this particular feed you can post the messages like the birthday wishes or any important announcement along with any other notice. So you can add all the information for which is related to company in this particular feed section. So for example, here we write some birthday wishes message for the employees. So you can just add your text over here. For example, we will write a birthday wish to employee. And in this particular feed section we are having the option of copilot. So in copilot there are different summaries, that is you can explain this text or you can create this text into the article. So we can translate this text into the post. So when we translate this text to the post, copilot will generate the post for the birthday wishes to the employee. So when copilot is generating that post, so as you can see over here, this post is generated. So you just need to save this post and you just need to mention that particular employee in the two sections. So this field will be visible to the that particular employee's dashboard along with the all employees dashboard. So this is how you can add the message from the feed section.